Mamut-tim, d.o.o. was pinned on the world map in 2007, yet we are still bound to our present work by over 30 years of experience and knowledge in the field of grinding, acquired both at home and abroad. Our experience has been further enhanced with our work as part of the research team at the University of Maribor. We are distinguished by our own production, our flexibility as we find the best solutions together with our clients, our adequate quality and wide range of products, quality service and fast delivery. We offer our existing and future business partners our full range of products and accessories for cutting, grinding, and machining of various materials under the Mamut brand or under their own. The production process at the company Mamut begins with the process of ordering, receiving, and storing raw materials. In doing so, we strictly apply the guidelines for managing and controlling the flow of all materials coming into the company, watching over the appropriate quality and adequacy of the ordered materials, which must comply with the implemented requirements of the ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 standard. This is an important aspect of the business, with which we provide our business partners with stable, agreed, and optimal conditions and opportunities. After careful preparation of the process documentation for the ordered product, the mixing process follows, where, depending on the product type, the appropriate abrasive grains are selected and first wetted with liquid resin, and in the next phase, powder fillers and powder resin are added. This produces a consistent blend for the production of cutting and grinding discs or resin-bound grinders. The prepared abrasive mixture is transported to metal molds. Depending on the product type, the appropriate label is added, as well as a metal flange and impregnated glass meshes. The mixture is compressed under a certain pressure to form a blank. By changing the compression pressure, the density of the finished product is controlled. After compression, we check the blanks and see to it that they meet the appropriate quality parameters, such as thickness, weight, hole tolerance, and visual appearance. Flap discs are produced on a special automated machine. First, a roll of sandcloth is clamped on and fed into the machine. The machine applies glue to the PVC or fiberglass base and inserts into it a certain number of pre-weighed blades. The ready discs are stacked into bundles and properly secured. The stably fastened bundles of cutting and grinding discs, or flap discs, are stacked into specially shaped metal racks, transported and loaded into a chamber furnace which is designed to meet the quality requirements of specific products and to house controlled polymerization and curing. Curing of cutting and grinding discs takes place at temperatures of 175 to 200 degrees Celsius, and curing of flap discs at temperatures of 120 to 125 degrees Celsius. After heat treatment, a random selection of cutting and grinding discs and flap discs is taken from each batch for quality testing. Each product must achieve certain cutting or grinding properties and must have adequate mechanical and safety properties, which means that at the prescribed speed, it must not break apart. In case the quality does not meet the prescribed requirements, the whole batch is removed from production, examined in more detail, checked for suitability, and, in case of major deviations, treated in accordance with the guidelines of the quality management system of the company. After final verification, all products must meet the agreed parameters and customer requirements. Flap discs are automatically labeled, packaged in shrink film, and stacked into appropriate cardboard packaging. The same procedure is performed for cutting and grinding discs. Both product types are labeled and documented and then submitted to the warehouse, where the appropriate documentation is prepared, the customer informed, and the products dispatched to the customer. Part of our operation and production process also includes supplying semi-finished products and merchandise to our partners under our brand name or their own. Depending on their requirements, we seek out the right products, label them, provide proper packaging, safety, and the necessary technical certificates and documentation. In Slovenia, our products are supplied to locksmiths, engineering workshops, metal construction companies, and the automotive and metal processing industry. We supply to specialized stores selling metal products and metalware, stores selling construction materials and agricultural machinery, as well as all the largest wholesalers in Slovenia. We export over 60% of our annual production to foreign markets, where it is sold to our exclusive agents in Croatia, Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Italy, Austria, Greece, Germany, Slovakia, the Czech Republic, Latvia, Estonia, Lithuania, Finland and other countries. We strive to further increase our presence in foreign markets, where we look for long-term partners. We also traditionally attend the hardware show in Cologne, where we present our range of products and novelties and where we get together with our existing and potential customers. In this way, we strengthen the image of the manufacturer of grinding products of our own brand or that of our partners.